We all know Alpe di Siusi is one of the best sunrise spots in Dolomites. But nobody tells us the exact location to see and photograph them. If you want to know where to park your car and when to start your walk to reach the exact spot at the perfect time to get to see this spectacle, you've clicked on to the right video.
I'm done shooting the sunrise from the scenic viewpoint in Alpe di Siusi.
Let's start from the beginning and take you step by step to the spot and tell you about the rules you need to be aware of. To reach the spot, you need to drive to Compatch at least 75 minutes before sunrise. Parking is not allowed inside the designated parking lot in Compatch before 6 a.m. So this would not work for summer and autumn when sunrises are much earlier. So apply common sense and park somewhere here sensibly.
This is where I parked, just opposite to the Compatch P2 parking. 10 minutes to 5. I'm walking towards the scenic viewpoint of Alpe di Siusi. Hopefully I'll be able to make it before sunrise.
Just follow signs towards Alder Lodge and you should be fine. On Google Maps, type Panorama Alpedisiusi and you will be well directed. After you follow Route 3 for a while, Sasso Lungo and Sasso Piatto appear. Then follow Route 6 to reach the destination.
Alpe di Siusi is the highest alpine meadow in all of Europe. So it's definitely very special. And the morning light, as much as I can see at 5:15, is getting pretty promising.
The last bit of the gravel road is a bit steep. The sun rises from the left of the peaks in summer, but directly behind the peaks in autumn. So plan your pictures accordingly. Clouds started to roll out gradually, and I witnessed the most perfect sunrise I always dreamt of. I kept exploring the region and highly recommend you to walk the valley to get different angles.
I'm done shooting the sunrise from the scenic viewpoint in Alpe di Siusi. Driving in Alpe di Siusi is very restricted. You can only drive up to Compatch, park your car there, and you have to walk for about 1 hour to reach the scenic viewpoint. Driving is only allowed for those who are staying in one of the hotels in Alpe di Siusi, which is very expensive to start with. That too, if somebody is staying for 3 nights, it doesn't mean that person can drive up and down the valley at any point of time during those 3 nights. It's only the day when they enter Alpe di Siusi, they are allowed to drive only up to their own hotel. So if your own hotel is much below the scenic viewpoint, you still have to park your car at your hotel and walk up. So the rules are same for everybody. I just can't understand why people can't respect the rule of the land. Driving is not allowed from Compatch up to Alpe di Siusi, and parking on the private grasslands is absolutely illegal. One more.
The walk back to Compatch becomes more and more beautiful at every turn and bend. The pictures from that morning shall stay etched on my mind for a very long time.